get Sound like you want to do something.
On a support level under 1 minute. If we could bounce here, that might be a good trade. See if I could play this dead. Mm, it's a tough trade, but I'm not gonna buy that one. Um, let's look at the market. This could potentially be a bounce. So we came to this level before. And if I go long here, I don't know. We're piercing into this candle though, and we're on support. This could potentially be a good trade. Let's see if I could go long here. Where would be my stop loss? My stop loss could be at the end of that support. No trend line break, but we're on the moving average. So this is potentially a good trade. Let me go long IWM here. I'm long IWM here. I'll have this as my stop loss. I'm sort of playing this double bottom after the gap up on the day. It's a trade that definitely want to hold. Right, like I could see if I could take this up here, but truly I want to see if I could really retrace all the way back to the high, which is like 212. But let's see how we react to this double bottom here. It says buying on support. And we bought on the moving average. So I'll just set some alerts. Hmm. Let's see if the market can hold. If the market doesn't hold, then it's a trade that I don't have to stay in for a while because we could potentially fill the gap down. But maybe a trade that I want to stay in as well. So it's a good setup on the double bottom. We just gotta hope we hold that level. Let me look at the macro market. Yeah, IWM is trying. SPY is looking good too. Qs are looking good. XL leak sort of coming back up. IWM could probably fill this gap, right? And that's what we'll probably do. I just haven't been. I mean, you can't really do that. But I definitely haven't been playing it as well lately. But let's see. I mean, I really think we can sort of come back up. But if we start to go down, then it's not going to be a good trade. And right now, it's already not doing that. So I am not going to sell though. This is a longer term trade for me because we could also hold this support as well. I mean, we'll probably go down on the day. Let's see if we can hold this support, but we're definitely going past that support. If we could hold 210.76, like that's potentially good, but might even just take this loss, bro. Like it's just like I'm telling you, this shit's not worth it. To stay in and see if you're right. Fuck that. I'm gonna stay in and see if I'm right. I really don't. But I'm gonna hold, especially because we gapped up on the day. It's just how far can we go down? It's just always the tough thing. All right. If we come back to this moving average, this was the level that I'm thinking we bounce on. But if we don't bounce, which it's looking like we're not, then let me just take the loss, honestly. Well, let's see if we bounce on this level. If we bounce, hopefully we can sort of rally back up. But if we don't, which is looking like we're not, I'm just gonna take the loss and be done. not done for the day, but done with that trade. It could be frustrating. Fuck. Let me take the loss. Of course I saw it. And I'm probably selling when I should buy, but like that shit is just really frustrating for the scalp. Right? Like the longer term trade would have definitely worked, but on to the next one. But I mean, come on, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on. Let's see SPY. SPY was something that I definitely want to come back in. We traced around 38%. If I take this trade, I could probably take it to the 50 as well. Not really an A+ setup yet, but sort of coming out to be. We sort of made that hammer on the 2-minute. We'll probably keep retracing IWM. That shit just is frustrating. That shit is not even frustrating. It's just fucking stupid. It is what it is, actually. That's what it is. It just is what it is. Shit can be stressful sometimes, but that's when you just limit risk. I'm gonna go long SPX here. All right, I'm long SPY here. Couple reasons. We just retraced back to this 38 retracement level. I think we bounce up, either take it back to the 23 or I could take it to the 0. I'm gonna hold all the way to the 60% retracement because it is a 3 days expiration. On the 1 minute, we're making this cluster of dojis, so, and we might have a trend line break soon. We didn't get the trend line break yet, but like I got into the trade early. So of course we could take it to the 23 retracement, but I sort of want to be greedy with this trade. I want to take this up to the 0. I want to take it to a full retracement. So let's see what we do. Not just a full retracement, right? Like let's see if we can, continue to rally. But good trade so far. Up a good amount. Already took out some of the losses from IWM. Really good trade so far. Not the best candle right there, but let's see how we continue to react. Not what I want to see on the 1 minute, but again, that's just the 1 minute. Everyone look at the fucking gains. Nasty retracement. Tesla's going back down. Google's going, where's Apple? 186. If we fully retrace, that'll just be terrible. Again, not just take it to this 23 level, because we already took it to the 23. I want to have a full, so to get that full pullback, right? So take it back to the 0. That's why I want to like practice patience, practice holding. Not even practice it, I'm just going to hold. But let's see how we continue to react with SPY. We like that candle on the 1 minute. Let's see if we can continue. So we're bouncing on the 5 EMA as well. So the play here will probably be taken back to this high, but we sort of rejected that on good volume, right? So something to be aware of. I'm hoping we can continue to rally back up, right? It was a real bullish day. We had a lot of buying. Like I think this is a good trade, and we had the trend line break, right? Had the trend line break. had to bounce, came back to this trend line. If we could bounce on this support again or bounce on this trend line and go back up, that'll be the trade. Right now, it's not looking like it's doing that, which you can't be mad at. If the market wants to do what the market does, you can't be mad at it. It's only information. It's only entertainment. But I hate that the fact that because we didn't even pop up on good volume. We retraced on heavy volume. We came back down. We rejected that on heavier volume. So, like, this is not good. But back to my starting point on the trade. Like, I hate that shooting star on the 5 minute. Like, I physically hate that. It makes me sick. Makes me physically fucking sick. So hopefully we bounce. But if we don't bounce, then I'm just gonna get the fuck out the trade. Because if we don't bounce, we'll probably come to the 50, which that's what we're probably gonna do. Because we're making these new lows, so let's just see if we could bounce here. But it's really not looking like that. Like, that's, I'm not gonna hold you. That is pretty unfortunate what just happened in the market. But let's see if buyers can come in. I mean, they just got shut down though. Like, we had this real bullish candle too, and they just couldn't hold. So, that could be frustrating, but I just want to continue. Just want to continue holding. Could be frustrating, but it is what it is. Be patient. Truth will out. And then I'm probably gonna, after this trade, I might do some things after, but bouncing on that support again, overtaking the trend line. This trend line can now be resistance, right? Hopefully, if we pass that, come back up to 640. I mean, come on. Like, the fact that we really, like, that shit got shut down is, like, that's pretty frustrating. It's really frustrating. And it's looking like we're going to keep folding. So, like, it might just be, like, you might just have to take the loss. Isn't that pretty frustrating? But I'm not selling where I should be buying. I'm just like, bro, I fucking refuse to do that. I'm not going to take a good trade into a bad trade, but like, I'm not going to sell here. I'm just not. If I sell, come to the 60, then I'll sell. Let's see if buyers can come back in. Sort of coming back in now, but you never know with this market, man. Like, you literally just never fucking know with this market. Look at this shit. I mean, sellers, bro. They're coming in. Coming in hot. I mean, that's like, bro, that's sickening. Lower lows, lower highs. I'm probably gonna get out this trade and find a new level to get back in, but I'm just praying we fucking bounce. We're bouncing on that 9 again. If buyers can come in, so take it back to this level, but man, sellers are just bringing that price down on the 1 minute. But that's only the 1 minute. On the 5 minute, I don't think this shit looks any better on the 5 minute. Sort of found that support, but like, it might just troop it, right? Like, you might not get that early. You might not get that early push all the time. But it is what it is. Sort of overtaking this 1 minute wick of the Gravestone doji. If we could pass that, hopefully we could come back here, but which was past the 23 level. We could probably come back to this 23 level. So 621. If buyers can bring that there, then I'm not gonna sell the trade, but I'm just gonna be aware of it. because I still think this is a good entry. Bought on support. Price came back to support. Back to trying. What the fuck is wrong with this shit? I can't like. Man, I be getting fucking frustrated like that. I'm about to stop this fucking stream. That shit's annoying. Yeah, that shit's really annoying actually. Let's see if SPY can bounce. Let's see what the market is doing too. Because if the market comes with me, let's see liquid stocks. Meta. Look at Amazon. Google's doing this thing. Netflix. Wow. Netflix has been trooping. Microsoft been doing good as well. Let me see. SPY. SPY is dropping, man. What the fuck? That shit makes me sick. That shit actually makes me physically fucking sick. What did Gotti say? That makes me sick. It makes me physically fucking sick. Fuck yeah, it does. We are bottoming out though, but I mean, we bounced under 38 retracement. So again, like this is like I want to take this shit to the new highs, bro. Like I really want to take this shit to the new highs. I don't know where SPY is gonna go, but let's see where we're at now. You know, like it's a dying trade, bro. It's a dying fucking trade. I mean, the fact that we just fucking retraced from this level, that hurts. Like, that shit really fucking hurts. Again, probably come to this 23, but man, I think the real trade is taking it back up to the highs of the day, 605.85. Right? Tesla's not doing well. And Google, man, should have been playing fucking Google. This is starting to look like a good candle, but you know, we just have to see. I'm not gonna get out this trade yet. I'm not gonna take profits yet. I can't hit the fucking shit and it keeps going down. Like that's annoying. Let's see here. Alright. SPY is going our way. We're rejecting this 23. If we could pass that, I mean, bro, that shit is just I'm gonna sell my position soon, to be honest. Like, I just don't like how this is moving. Lower lows, a lower high. It's just after the uptrend though. Like, what the fuck can you do? Right? Like how you go, like that shit could be, you know what I'm saying? Man, sellers, bro, they're just dominating this shit. I'm gonna take the loss there. I mean, you can't tell me that shit's not frustrating, bro. That shit is pretty frustrating, bro. Right on direction. This is probably the next best time to buy, but I'm not gonna buy them. See if it retraces again. Like I was in profit as well, and then it's not even not selling. It just didn't go to the level. So like you can't you actually can't make it up. You know what I'm saying? Like you really can't make it up. Good thing I sold, but bro, like you can't make that shit up. We make new excuse me. Make new highs of the day. I mean, we're coming to the 50. Maybe if we make some support, take it back down, start making lower, lower lows, lower highs. Like, bro, this one candle should have just told me, get the fuck out of here. Like that's it's not even frustrating. It's fucking humbling. May go long here though. I mean, bro, fuck it. I might like. I'm not gonna go long there. Nothing tells me to go long. I mean, we're finding a bottom, but fuck you, fuck you, fuck this fucking market. That shit is so frustrating, bro. Pod could do a put credit spread though. Let me get into the put credit spread because that's a trade that I can make money in for the day. Um, yeah, it is. I'm just not gonna take that trade. I mean, that shit is. But when I tell you that shit is frustrating, bro, like that shit could be really fucking frustrating. Sell to 90. I'm not selling 90 fucking credit. I'm not doing that. I just won't do that. Fucking spy just broke my heart. You really broke my heart. You really broke my heart. And this shit keeps going down. It's frustrating. Like I bought this monitor for like 150 fucking dollars and it keeps spazzing up. I mean, but this is trading though, bro. Like you never know what the market's gonna do. This fucking rejection. Oh my goodness. Like taking a good trade bad is fucking terrible. I'm telling you that shit's fucking terrible. I'm gonna go long the market here though. Let's see if we can hold. And if we don't, then I will be out. Alright, I'm long spy again here. Off this bounce off the 50. I don't know where I'm gonna take it. I'm definitely gonna take it to the 23 level. I don't think we're going back up again. We're already up 1.2% on the day. It was a good jobs report, I guess, but like hopefully this was the bottom and I could take this all the way back up. Just gotta stay in the fucking game, I guess. Good trade so far. Um, yeah, really good trade so far. But again, I'm not making that same mistake of staying in this shit for too long, bro. Of course I could, but again, we'll probably start seeing, yeah, like, bro, once we start seeing some fucking sellers come in, I'm just take the profits. You know what I'm saying? Like, but yeah, I could potentially hold this. What the fuck is this monitor? All right, I could hold this because we bounced on the moving average. Did we have a trend line break here? No, but I guess let's remove this right here. You know, let's just clear that shit. I can't even see my fucking screen, bro. What the fuck is going on? Like, but that shit's frustrating. And now, now the market's starting to pull back. But I don't think SPY is going back up. Like, no. Let me start taking profits here. Like, if we could get this last push, that would be good. But, bro, I'm like, let me take profits here. All right. Well, and that's two trades. Bro, like I might be done for the day. I'm not seeing shit well. And I'm starting to get mad. I guess it's just my patience. Like, why am I not taking these profits? I mean, this is fucking sickening to be honest. Like this market doesn't want to. This market's not. This market's not making new highs. And then what? I'm gonna jump in that trade. Fuck you. I might do it because I'm a fucking. Cause I'm just trading on impulse right now, bro. Like straight fucking impulse. All right, I'm in this trade one more time, and I'm probably gonna sell early. I'll tell you right now, I do not want to stay in this trade for a long time, especially if price keeps coming down on us. Nah, that shit's not worth it. On the 1 minute, I mean, bro, selling pressure is just dominating. Like if buyers can step in, hollow fucking booyah, but it's not looking like that. Look at this candle. Rejection, rejection. No. It's not looking like the best setup, to be honest. Let's sell. Mm, making that hammer on the 1 minute. It's just way too quick. I'm about to be done for the day. I'm tweaking right now. Still in this trade. I know we're gonna get a bounce. I'm just hoping that I picked the right time. It's all about time in the market. But like the trading that I'm doing today, like it doesn't even feel good. You know what I'm saying? Like it really doesn't even feel good. If we get this bounce, I don't know where I'm gonna take it, but like, you know, buyers. I mean, Tesla's going back up, but I mean, bro, like look at this market. Shit's not playing fair. And then this computer's doing this shit, bro. I mean, we're starting to get tight, right? Perhaps we could get a breakout, but you know, like I'm just not seeing it well right now. I'm hoping the market could stay with us, but bro, it's something that I don't even want to stay in for too long because I'm already at a loss right now. All right, let me start this trade. All right, I'm out of this trade and I'm done for the day because it's way too much impulse. Way too much fucking impulse. I don't even know who the fuck I'm streaming for, bro. Like this shit is frustrating. It could be so fucking frustrating. Of course I sell and then we start popping up. Oh, get back in the trade. Oh my god.